Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So today I'm just having a little play. I wanted to make some sort of paper clips with my hearts, my little Valentine hearts from the Embellishments set. Now I did these the other day, which were the little tiny little clusters, and I absolutely love them. I think they are really gorgeous. So I sort of wanted to do maybe like a bigger version of them, like these, but I wanted to make them into paper clips, and I've got my little postcards which work really well with them, and I think they look so pretty, which are lovely. I'm not going to put butterflies on these ones because I want them a little bit different, because I want to do a pretty journal, so I just wanted a few little bits and pieces to go in it. I've got the lovely flower tags that I did. I've got other tags, so I just wanted some little pretty paper clips and things like that to go in there. So I'm going to use these in there. So I'm using my bigger Valentine hearts on here, which are lovely, and I'm just using postcards and the Valentine words. Now the little words, I did print 2 per page. 2 of the pages they come in, and I just scaled them down and put 2 on a page, so that's when they come out really sort of small, which are lovely. So really simple. So I'm just going to take one of my little tags. I'm going to pop a paper clip on the back of it. So I've just got a piece of card. I'm going to just slot that on there like that, and then cut it down. So really simple. And then all as we do is just glue that to the back, and then we have our little paper clip. I'm going to do it with a little bit of Fabric like this on here. Now I've not made a journal for ages, because I do tend to not finish them. I've got so many journals, and then I go on to something else, because I do love making embellishments. I love these little embellishments that I make, and I find it hard because I get distracted, and I never seem to finish my journals. So I'm going to try and do a Valentine's one. Well, not a Valentine's one, but so it's got some nice pretty hearts and lovey-dovey things in it, and my pretty papers that I've got. So I sort of add a bit more shabby to it. So that's our little heart. I'm going to take one of our little postcards. I'm just going to pop that on there. I don't mind if it sticks out the side. And then we can take one of our little words like that, and then we can just have Be Mine on there, and I just love it. Now I've got again few little scraps of paper. Let me pop those out of the way. Not paper, fabric, and of course my rose trim and little bits and pieces out of this little pot, which I'm just going to stick on. So super simple. Just get all your little bits out. We do like super simple things, don't we? Well, I do anyway. Quick and easy to do. I'm going to just pop a little bit of this lovely lacy fabric on there like that. Stick that down. We shall pop the postcard over the top like this. Little bit of glue like that. These are all really nice little bits to just pop in your stash and get out when you just want to pop a little pretty into your journals like that. Shall we have do with a little bit of lace? I'm sure, here we go, here's a little bit of lace. Let's just cut that off. I only want a tiny bit to go under the word, I think, just like that, and then that on top. I think it needs just a little edging under here like that, and a little bit of glue like that. And that glue will stick down that little bit of lace like that. Shall we have it straight? Squidge it on there. Shall we have a little bit of rose trim? Just I just think this rose trim is just so pretty. Now, I do get lots and lots of questions on where I get it from. Now, you can, I originally got this rose trim from AliExpress, but you can now get it on Amazon. I have got a link in my Amazon storefront, which I have a link under the video. I've got it in the UK Amazon, and I've got it on Amazon.com. So you can get it from there, because AliExpress sometimes takes so long to get to you, doesn't it? Something can take months to get to you. So do take a look. They do have it in the different colours as well, and I just love it. So if you can't live without it like me, I'm sure you'll probably get it off Amazon, because it's quicker. Right, that's that one done. Isn't that pretty? So I'm going to do this one. Now this one's got "My love to you" on it. But I wanted to put one of my words on, so what could we do with that one? Let's just take, I love these postcards. Let's just take a postcard. Don't think it's going to cover it all up, is it? My love to you. What can we have? Kisses to you. Look, we could have kisses to you, couldn't we? That's good. Like that. Oh, that would work, wouldn't it? Do we have a little bit of ink around there? Shall we have a little bit of lace? Let's just scrunch this up a little bit. Really doesn't scrunch up too well, but we could have it popping out the top, couldn't we? Oops. Let's put that there. That one there. Put this on like this. Pop that down there. Let's pop it at a little angle. Oops, I should have put the paper clip on the back first. Never mind. Should we just have kisses to you? Should I put something under that? What have I got? Let's have a little bit of this cheesecloth on there. Just a tiny little bit like that. Just to go underneath. Oopsie daisy. Pop it like that. A little bit on there, and we can have it like that. So that's so pretty. And then where's the red one? Here's the red one. A little bit of red just at the top. Look pretty, wouldn't it? There we are. These are lovely and quick to make and quite simple, so you can make quite a nice little stash of these up. Look at that, kisses to you. Lovely. And I just love the little postcards, they're so cute, and they can be used for all sorts of little mini embellishments. Let's pop a paper clip on here like that. Turn this over and pop it on. Oops. There we go. Pop that on there like that. A little bit of glue. Pop that on the back, sticky. Like that. Squash it down. Make sure it's stuck down properly. This is why it's easier to do it in the beginning when you don't have anything on the front of your card. Look, I'm just making a big mess now. There we go. Squash it down a little bit. There we go. So that's a nice simple one, and that says kisses to you. I think that looks really nice. Aren't they lovely? Shall we make another one? Let's have this one. What shall we have on here? Little postcards. Just gorgeous. Right, let's have a little bit of scruffy, shall we? A little bit of this on there. Let's pop that on the top. A little bit there. See, I've done it again. Forgot to put the paper clip on. Let's pop the paper clip on quickly before I forget. It will probably be better if you put the paper clip on them all to start with, and then just embellish them, and then you probably won't forget like me. If you're going to make these, let's just turn that over, pop that on. Again, you can have the paper clip coming from the side, you don't have to have it from the top. You can have it from the side, which I might do on the next one. Let's just stick that down like that. There we go, that's better. A little postcard on there. Shall we have this little half pink one? Let's put this on. There we go. A little bit of glue. Pop a little bit of glue on here. Just like that. Oops. Stick that there. Where's my pretty purple one? Here we go. My little favourite one. Just bring that down just a little bit. Pop that on top. There we go. Shall we have a word on that? Because I quite like that, doesn't it? Look nice. Let's have a look. We don't have to have a word on it, I suppose. We could have gorgeous, we could have true love. I think I'm going to leave that one without a word. I think it looks nice like that. There we go, little paper clip. Pop those over there. Look at these, aren't they gorgeous? So I've got a couple here that I did. Right, let's make one. Here we go. Shall we do one with a paper clip on the side? I hope I'm in view here. That's it. Put that one on. You can just use a bits of scrap card to attach the paper clips. That's it. Go. Turn you over. Pop that on. Oops. Squash that down like that. Hold it in place just so it sticks there nicely. There we go. What should we have on this one? And we can have a little pinky one there, or we got the red one. Let's have a look. Let's pick a postcard. Oh gosh, look at me, all sticky. Let's have this one. Shall we have this little one here? Now let's pop it so it's at the bottom a bit, so we don't cover her face up. Lots and lots. I don't know whether you've bought these postcards yet, but you get lots and lots, and they are just gorgeous. I know I keep saying that, but they are so handy. Shall we have a little bit of that there? Let's just stick that on, shall we? Stick that like that. Let's stick our little postcard on. Like that. There we are. Stick it more of a diagonal. There we are. Perfect. What shall we have on here? We can have a word on this one. Shall we have lovable? Look at that. Isn't that lovely? That looks pretty, doesn't it? Look at that. Lovely. Oops. There we are. Shall we we don't really need that on there. I don't think I'm going to put that on there. No, I'm going to leave that one without. but I like that one just as it is. And there we go guys, they are a few little ones, so that's more to go in my stash. I will carry on making these, but you get the idea, don't you? I do like that one, that's really nice. And super little post. I didn't put the, I was going to put that on the side, wasn't I? Oh, never mind. There we go guys, few little ones. Now if you didn't see the tutorial on this, I'll pop a link to the underneath, but I just love these, and I think these will all go really well into a lovely little journal. And of course I think probably these little butterflies would probably go in there as well. So there we are. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me. Please stay safe, take care, and I will see you soon. Alright guys, bye bye.